Are you tired of juggling multiple projects with no clear direction? It's time to embrace project portfolio management. Project portfolio management is the process of managing a collection of projects to achieve strategic objectives. It's important because it enables organizations to prioritize resources and align projects with their goals. There are three types of project portfolios: strategic, tactical, and operational. Each has a distinct purpose and requires different management approaches. Project portfolio management has 5 levels: basic, foundational, intermediate, advanced, and dynamic. Each level builds on the previous one and requires more sophisticated management techniques. The project portfolio process consists of 7 steps: define, categorize, evaluate, prioritize, select, execute, and monitor and control. These steps ensure that projects are aligned with organizational goals and resources are optimized. A project portfolio is a collection of projects and programs that an organization manages to achieve its strategic objectives. For example, a project portfolio for a software company might include projects for developing new products, enhancing existing products, and improving internal IT systems. Project portfolio management offers several advantages, such as better resource allocation, improved project success rates, and increased visibility into project performance. It also helps organizations prioritize projects and align them with their strategic goals. Project portfolio analysis involves analyzing projects in the portfolio to determine their strategic value and alignment with organizational goals. This analysis helps organizations make informed decisions about which projects to pursue and which to defer or cancel. By implementing project portfolio management, organizations can optimize their resources and achieve their strategic goals more effectively. So, don't wait any longer, start managing your project portfolio today.